Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Dolly's pecan pie brownies. What all goes into Dolly's pecan pie brownies? For the brownies, we need Pam nonstick cooking spray, 1 pack brownie mix, 17.6 ounces, 1 egg, 1/2 cup melted butter, 3 tablespoons milk. For the pecan pie filling, we need 1/4 cup firmly packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup corn syrup or honey, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 cups pecan halves, and I don't have the halves, I just have the chopped, so it'll have to do. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take an 8x8 pan and spray it with Pam spray or any other nonstick cooking spray. Set that aside. Take a large bowl, dump in the brownie mix and the fudgy packet that came with the Dolly fabulously fudgy brownies. You can use any brownies that you want. Definitely you'll want to use the fudge brownie type. The 1 egg, the 1/2 cup of melted butter, that's 1 stick, and make sure it's slightly cool so you don't start cooking your egg. And your 3 tablespoons of milk, and mix that until well blended, about 50 strokes, but I'm not going to count it. So pour your brownie batter into an 8x8 prepared pan and spread that out evenly. Then put that in a 350-degree preheated oven for 32 to 35 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. So while your brownies are baking, take your 1/4 cup firmly packed brown sugar, your 1/4 cup of corn syrup or honey, and I did spray the bottom of it so it would come out real easy, your 1 egg, your 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then take your 2 tablespoons melted butter and make sure it has cooled a little bit so you don't start cooking your egg. And mix that all together. Dave loves pecan pie. He loves brownies. I think he's going to like this. So the brownies came out of the oven after 36 minutes. Take your pecans and spread them all over the cooked brownies. Then take your pecan pie filling mix and pour it all over the brownies. And put it back into the oven for 20 to 24 minutes until filling is set. So I actually had to let the filling cook for 28 minutes, and so it was getting really extra done along the sides. I'm surprised we cook it that long anyway, being as the brownies was done when we took them out of the oven in the first place. But we'll see how well they turn out. We'll let it cool completely before we cut it and serve it. So here is the pecan pie brownies. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Pecan pie brownies.
Oh, really? I think I'm getting a little more brownie than pecan pie, but there is a little, I'm getting pieces of pecan pie. I think the brownie is a little stronger than the pecan pie, but it's tasty. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.